I ordered this product from Avanti Creations and the order number was 1191. I ordered this product on 6th of October 2022 but the order was never delivered. I was scammed of 369 rupees. I found about this website called Avanti Creations from Instagram and I found the product to be nice and I ordered it, but it was a scam. We can see there is an option called visit our store. If I now click on this and open it in new tab, you can see the store is unavailable. See, this is a simple domain and the website do not exist at all.
Yes, I was scammed of 369 rupees. I ordered a product and it was never delivered. Basically, every day we come across different kinds of advertisement in social networking websites like Facebook, Instagram. But not all the websites and advertisements are true. They are fake. And today we will see how to understand whether these websites are fake or not, whether we should go ahead and shop from these kinds of websites or not. So let's get started.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
What you need to do is you need to come to this website called Scam Advisor. I'll open it here. You need to come to this website called scamadvisor.com and you need to check for the website before ordering any product or before browsing it. I have taken the name of few websites from Instagram and Facebook ads. Let's check out. First website is godigitalcart.com. Okay, I have already searched for it a while ago. Godigitalcart.com. At the same time, I'll also show you the advertisement that I saw. Here on the very first line, they are saying that the website is suspicious. Check the data below. Now the trust score is also 52%, which is not a good score. And if I come down below and search for the review, there are no review. And even if I come down below, I can see that the domain is taken only 11 months ago. That is, it's a new website, it's a new domain, and the address and everything. See, the address is also fake. Phone number is a non-Indian phone number. Everything is fake here. So this is again a fake website, and if somebody is buying anything from here, they are surely to get scammed. So make sure you check everything. Let's see, register and everything. Okay, this is again abuse@cheapname.com. Oh my god, see, the mail and everything is fake. So this is again a fake website, and last date of registration is 19th August. That means after 19th August, this site is not going to exist. Okay, let's check out another website which I saw from a Facebook ad. Let me browse it. aura444.com, aura.com. Let me browse it. Okay, this website do not exist. Oh my god, I have taken the website's name in the morning and I am making this video at night. By this time only this website is no longer there. Let me see, skylinktravels.co.in. skylinktravels.co.in. Let's see if this is fine or not. Okay, this website is again showing us this is suspicious. Let's check out. This is 47, a bit better than the last one, but still it is showing us suspicious. Again, zero review. Let us check for the domains registration part and everything. Oh my god, this website is taken only 2 months before. Okay, Adnan Travels, the title is still fine. Website speed and everything is fast. Okay, this is registered till 24th of May 2024, which is still trustable, but I'll not suggest anybody to use this website because the trust score here is 47%, and if with time this grows to 80 or 90%, then we can go ahead with it. Let me now check out some websites that are really legitimate in order to see whether the Scam Advisor is really functioning well or not. So for this, I'll search for amazon.in, amazon.in, and the rating for Amazon should be good. Let's see what are the results that comes up for Amazon. It's already showing us green. Okay, it's showing the trust score is 100 upon 100. That is what we expected, right? And if we come down below, we can see the website details. Okay, 18 years age. That means Amazon was registered on 2005. That's really nice. So what we understood is we can really trust Scam Advisor because the data that it is showing is really nice. And at the same time, make sure that we should always take suggestion from these kinds of websites like Scam Advisor in order to stay safe.
Now we know how to identify these fake websites and stay safe from them. So don't forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button, and at the same time don't forget to share this video with your family and friends just to make sure that they are also safe. Bye bye, see you and take care, and stay tuned for the next video.